the door? That was on the TV.
Oh,
Come here.
Lordy.
I'm sending that.
Last week.
Wait, it's not done, Haley.
Last week at this time we had her at the game.
Put her down. Yeah, put her there.
Oh, Lord.
Mag.
Uh-oh.
No, ma'am.
We do it again.
Then leave that poor dog alone.
Put her up high somewhere.
Put her on Jordan's back. And let's see
Yeah.
what she does.
She won't stay on there. She won't stay on there to begin with.
She won't? You don't think she'll stay still on his back? Yeah.
All right.
Here she goes.
Look at her. She's going.